Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making two fishy recipes, fishy pancakes and fried fish. We bought fresh filleted fluke from the Korean supermarket and enjoyed sashimi. We had about 1.8 pounds of fish left over, which we will use today. If you are using frozen fish, you have to defrost and dry the fish with a paper towel. Salt the fish. Add some organic black pepper. Salt and pepper the other side of the fish too. I'm going to use half of the fish for pancakes and the other half for fried. Let's make fish pancakes. Add 4 eggs to a bowl and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. I'm going to use non-GMO organic sweet brown rice flour. Today's welcome home tip. Add a half cup of brown rice flour and fish it into a plastic bag and shake for 10 seconds. Then the fish will be coated nicely with the flour, and you don't have to do each fish individually. Add 1 tablespoon of organic extra virgin olive oil. Cook fish in egg and place in pan. Cook on medium heat and cook each side for 2 minutes. Clean the pan before cooking next batch of fish. Let's make Welcome Home's famous pancake dipping sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add a little red pepper powder and little organic scallions. Add crushed sesame seeds for additional flavor. Let's set up the table. These fish pancakes are super soft, juicy, and easy to make, and of course taste really good. Let's make fried fish. Add a half cup of organic brown rice flour and fish into a plastic bag and shake for 10 seconds. Add 3 eggs to a bowl and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. I'm going to use organic bread flour. Cook fish in egg and organic bread flour. Make sure the flour is coated evenly over the fish. I'm going to use non-GMO avocado oil, but you can use any oil you want. Add a half cup of oil and preheat on medium heat. Add a fish and cook 1 minute on each side or until golden brown. Place cooked fish on rack to drain. Let's make Welcome Home's famous and easy fish dipping sauce. Mince 3 pickles. Add 1 tablespoon non-GMO whole grain mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of organic light mayo. Add 1 tablespoon of Korean rice syrup and mix well. I never use sugar when I cook, so I'm going to use a homemade rice syrup which has 0 sugar. You can buy Korean rice syrup with a low sugar level at the supermarket. I have another video that shows which one has the lowest sugar level. Please check it out. Let's set up the table.